Okay, part 2 of Sea Treasures since we filled up the SD card. Alright. Now, the denim Loungefly was here. It's apparently sold out now.
They may restock.
Yeah, they might restock, but as of right now, they're not on the ship anymore. But I did get what I needed to for everybody. Trying to hurry up before Beauty and the Beast gets out. Alright, the Tommy Bahama. Really cute. Here's the Mickey chilling in his chair, like on Castaway. Alright, I think that is it for Sea Treasure. We need to go to Mickey's main sale. This one we gotta do quick because all the kids come running to this one. Let's go to this side. Alright, we've got some Toy Story items in just in time for the movie to be released. I don't think it's anything cruise specific though. Toys and shirts and some Marvel items. Well, I try to watch some close stuff, things close up. Star Wars. Woman's shirt, jacket,
Lightsabers,
toys. Hello. This is the
purchase for the purchase.
Purchase for the purchase right now. It's kind of a small backpack, but
Pirate Night and stuff.
yep, Pirate Night. Some Pirate Night stuff for the kids. Actually, that's women's.
Oh, they got red.
Yeah. Now the kids stuff. Cute.
I'm gonna get this for Grandma and Grandma.
Alright, so yeah, the Staple Cruise shirts, the red and the blue. They also have it in youth now. They also have them in zip-up hoodies. Plain t-shirts with Captain Mickey on them. Some luggage. Coffee cups.
Would you rather have this? Look at that. Would you rather have this?
They've got a bunch of
Cruise frames.
cruise frames, and a lot of them are actually really big sale. Those got wiped out. Which one is that one? This is cute that they're doing now. It's just electric glass. That's cool. So that you can actually color these. They have glasses too. It's right here. And they have plates, popsicle makers. I mean, all sorts of cool stuff.
I like this stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Here's one of David's.
Golden Mickeys. Yes, here's a David Doss picture. Well, just some of their generic staples. Some cute new magnets here. We have Mickey and
Isn't that
Minnie.
the Bigfoot
Yeah, Bigfoot.
series?
They have Pluto and Goofy. I wish they had Donald. Kind of sad. Some Christmas ornaments. A bunch of different ones.
That's a good selection.
Yeah, it really is. So Faith just got this shirt today in youth. She was dying and did not want to wear tank tops because she was so cold.
And a new Turvis.
Some new Turvises. There's another Turvis. There's a cruise line. That's a cute backpack there too. Alright, here's some
Oh, that's different.
new pajamas. With the anchors. Look how cute that is. For the ladies. Oh, I already got, yeah, that's a hoodie. And this is a cute shirt too. Wanna hold that one up? It's got a nice little tie on the bottom. Really cute, kind of sleeveless, almost like a cap sleeve. Here's a nice jacket. It's got Captain Minnie on it. Yeah, she is right. See if you get Captain Minnie on the back. It doesn't like me.
You're going to start using that.
But it doesn't like to
wants
work with me.
love it.
Here are the new cruise ears. They're so cute. Oh, here's the other pair. Right here. Some more Captain Minnie. That's like the latest and greatest. This is a new lanyard that they have. It's got the anchors on one side and kind of stuff that goes with, I guess, the purse on the other side. They've always had one. Some notepads, little kid's shirt, little girl shirt, some generic shoes, Mickey shoes. Captain Awesome. Life is better at sea. I think we saw that in the other store. Yeah, there's a couple things in here that are in the other store as well. Here's some older ears. And that are kind of new, but not as new as the other ones. Captain Mickey's, like Americana. Get the Minnie. Couple plush. Some bath toys. I got this stuff the other day on the other side, didn't I? I did. The Loungefly and the tapestry. Not the Loungefly, the spirit jerseys. So anyway, this is going to be new here. I'll show you these. I'll show you the smaller one. It's the Captain Minnie. See? Here's the difference. You have like regular Minnie, cruise Minnie, and then you have Captain Minnie. So it's just the clothes she's wearing is different. But you have your regular Captain Mickey, you have Donald, Chip, and Dale. Pluto's down there, and then this is a little cruise ship. Oh, there's nothing in this one, honey. We bought one years ago that unzipped and had all the characters inside of it.
And you got Sim still.
Oh, they still have cruise Simpsons. Oh, some Lion King shirts.
For the live action coming?
Yeah, that's coming out soon. Some kids' toys. You know, because every kid needs new toys on a cruise.
All the princesses.
Every princess you could dream of. No, I don't think so. Merida's even in here. It's my girl. Mm-hmm. Oh, Tinkerbell's not a princess, but she's in here.
That's Ursula.
Hey again, Ursula. How are you?
How are you?
Finishing up the video.
Oh, nice.
Our SD card like filled up suddenly the other night. So I had to finish it tonight.
Do you always edit your videos?
Usually we take them through.
We do it. We usually do it in one night.
Oh,
And
okay.
and this is the rest of the girls' line. This is cute too. Little romper.
The dream
Cute mini shirt. Oh look, there's a little backpack. This is actually in a couple of my old videos as well. Here's some little stretchy hair ties. I a little girl's jacket. Oh, here are some stateroom magnets for the girls. Every princess needs one. Got a nice little photo album. Oh, they have the Tinkerbell wings.
Yeah.
Have those here on the ship. Photo albums, some more girls' shirts. The wall of ears and on the Dream. They have all the cruise ears. The
Selection
newest.
on the Dream's much bigger.
Yeah, it usually is, but the selection of sizes is a lot less because
So many
they
people
go
go
so
through.
fast. And that's the next, the newest. And then you have
See,
this
you
pair
recommend
and
people to
then-
shop on the first day.
Absolutely, I recommend people shop as soon as the stores open. Very first day. If you're a little bit late for
Right.
dinner, be late for dinner.
About 5:30 to 5:45 on the first day.
Aladdin. Oh, look. There's Will Smith.
The new genie.
Yes. Which is actually, well, yeah, it's still playing. It's playing right now. All right, and
Not
some
yet.
Beauty and the Beast. Got the bell stuff. Because the actual show is going on right
It's
now.
the signature show. in the
Yeah, it
thing.
is the signature show for this ship. We have like, you know, generic pens, cruise pens, mystery pens.
They also have a pen trading event.
Yes, they do have a pen trading event with the officers one night every cruise, which I think was last night.
Oh, candy.
The wall of goodies.
You got one on the wall and
I do.
we'll do it right.
I have another wall.
You get this.
She doesn't have a Captain Duffy, does she? Oh, here we go. For a rainy day, other than the games. Did you even see the games? I didn't see the games. This, I
Yeah.
think, would be a really cool thing to get is towel origami. Teach your kids how to make some cool towel stuff for your
Or adults.
house. No, let the kids do it. Coloring books, a bunch of different pens
Seriously.
everywhere.
She was stuck to frames.
Oh, she did. This is like the faith heaven wall here. All the pens, 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 pens.
She loves art.
She loves pencils, pens, everything. Okay, well, I guess,
That's gonna be a wrap.
yeah, that is definitely going to be a wrap. So let's end it with, what are we going to end it with, honey? Not you. Even though it's aimed at you.
Aw, it's Mickey Minnie.
It's going to be with a farewell Disney Cruise Line kiss from Minnie to Mickey. Hope you guys have a wonderful time enjoying watching this. We've enjoyed making it. We always enjoy making them. It's a lot of fun.
Like our travel channel.
Absolutely love our travel channel. And we are done. Show is out. Goodbye, everybody.